cold now.
Where's our other?
So we are collecting stories.
If you don't mind.
Put in a coffee table.
You're being summoned.
Oh no, not again.
Hear of any good medical gossip.
First she takes my room.
Right. Now I'll leave you with one last little musical note here because there is one thing to say about medical progress. It's that medical progress never ends. It's so annoying to be
Don't each other.
We must have something to do now.
You know baby dragon?
Cough it up. We need you all to give. Cough it up. Our patients want to live. Bed bugs, bedhead. Find a cure for that. Simply cough it up and put some money in our hat or give it to our rat. So we have well, it's not really a hat. It's actually a bedpan. And this bedpan, we would like you to put in it not what normally goes into a bedpan, but your medical copays. This is the most affordable health care in the land. You've heard laughter is the best medicine, unless you have diarrhea. And this is the best way to be healthy. Let me see. We have this golden circle. Say, ah. Stick out your tongue, go, ah. Oh, I can see you're all so healthy for being at our show. So I want you to be part of our golden circle. If you want to be part of the golden circle, what you're going to do is you take a tip of $10 or more and put it in the golden circle. We split all of those tips of $10 or more in the golden circle 50-50 with the American Cancer Society. Follow the Medieval Medicine Show on Facebook to see how much you've helped us raise this weekend. We will be back here at whatever it says there, 12:30, 12:32, and 3:30. Stick around next for Chase Treasures. They are also absolutely hilarious, wonderful girls group. We also have CDs in this box over here that we can grab. We can have our original for 15, our body for 10, or both for 20. We also have Bandcamp. If you don't have a way to download CDs, you can download them right there. And we have Venmo and PayPal. So please come back and see us again. We so appreciate you being here today. Cough it up. We really need your help. Cough it up. For better public health. Turkey legs, flatulence. Find a cure for that. Simply cough it up and put some money in our hat. Cough it up. We're asking pretty please. Cough it up. You can help us treat disease. Like a mescaline. Find a cure for that. Simply cough it up and put some money in our hat. Cough it up. Get a special bell ringing for that. Huzzah! Simply cough it up and put some money in our hat.
Chaos Goblin.
Chase Treasure up next.
Stupid cannon made me jump like 5 times already.
They are all very contagious. Yes. Looks good.